Unlocking the mysteries of the cassowary. Welcome to our channel, where today we dive into the intriguing world of the cassowary. This flightless bird is as mysterious as it is magnificent. Cassowaries are native to the tropical forests of New Guinea, nearby islands, and northern Australia. They play a vital role in their ecosystems. Standing up to 6 feet tall, cassowaries are among the largest birds in the world. Their striking blue and black feathers make them stand out. Their most notable feature is the horn-like casque on their heads. This evolutionary helmet is thought to protect them in dense forests. Cassowaries have powerful legs equipped with sharp claws. These claws can be used for defense when threatened. Their diet is primarily frugivorous, consisting mainly of fruits. However, they also consume small animals and insects occasionally. Cassowaries are generally solitary creatures, preferring to roam the forest floor alone, silently and stealthily, evoking a sense of mystery. One fascinating aspect is their nickname, the world's most dangerous bird. Though not aggressive, they will defend themselves if provoked. The casque on their head serves not just for protection but also as a tool for communication and dominance displays. Male cassowaries are unique in providing paternal care. They incubate the eggs and protect the young for several months. Their silent movement through dense forests is legendary. This stealth aids in both foraging and avoiding predators. Cassowaries' existence is crucial for seed dispersal, impacting the flora of their habitat significantly. They truly are nature's gardeners. We hope this glimpse into the life of cassowaries has intrigued you. Stay tuned for more wildlife wonders, and thank you for watching.